Hello everyone. In the last session, we covered this program and now I'm explaining this again. And through this diagram, you can understand in the better way. By using this, the printing statement NP, we have an array and print of A of colon to start limit is not given, but end limit is given. Again, start it is for row and this one for column. This one again for row, this one for column. Again, this one for row and column. So it will print elements of 0 and 1th row and 0, 1, 2 column, right? 0 and 1 only because the start limit is given and end limit start from 0 and end limit is 2. So 2, this function returns end minus 1. That's why it will print a 0th and 1th row only. That means row indexing if you are doing. So negative index in this way, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 in this way. Also this one like printing this all. So I will execute him. We already have executed once. So let me clear this first. So the first command, print command will print 0 and 1th rows element. So 0th row is this one and 1th row is this one, right? And for the column 0, column number 0, column number 1 and column number 2. According to this will get printed. Now see the output window here. Let me execute this one first. Okay, these are the execution. Simply from the 0th row and 0th column, you have to calculate from here 0, start from 0 and up to 2, but it return end minus 1. So start from 0, this one 0th row and 2 minus 1 is 1. So it will return here 7, 5, 9, 7, 6, 8 for the first one, right? 3 columns and 2 rows it is returning, right? In this another one also start from 0 and end up to 3. So it will return 3 minus 1 up to 2 index it will return. And here start from 0 up to last and the value of jump is 2. When you are putting minus 1, it's simply reversing your array. Like as your actual array was 7, 5, 9, 4, 7, 6, 8, 8, and this was reversed just 7, 7, 6, 1. This one last one 7, 7, 6, 1, 8, 8, 6, 7 and 4, 9, 5, 7. Just to reverse an array, just you need to put all rows are reversed and columns are reversed. Now print all, it is going to print all elements of 0th column. So 0th column you have to find out here which column is 0th column. So see here in this array 0th column, this one 0th column is 7, 7 and 1. So it is getting printed here. Then A of 0th column all elements, this 0th column 0th row all columns. So 0th row is this one and all columns are 7, 9, 7, 5, 9, 4. Then again if you are printing A of 0, so again it is going to give you when the value is not specified and it is complete, it is getting printed. So this is all that function we covered to indexing and slicing. 2D array joining. So array can be joined using this concatenation function along the axes. So two axes we have and the vertical or horizontally, right? This can be done. So this also I will explain practically to you. Let me clear this first. Okay, this I will clear the Python cell also. This one. See here. This is your execution code. First is array is created NP75 and 16 concatenation access NP concatenate A to A. So how you are concatenating it? A to A 7516 concatenating with 7516. The function with normal concatenation we are doing A with A, so it is getting concatenated 7516 7516 at axis 1, and you know very well axis 1 is stand for columns, not for rows. So it is getting accessed here NP Next is x is equal to np.array 1 and 1 2, and vertically stack the arrays like print np.v stack x comma a. So 7 5, the array was here. Last we covered 7 5 1 6. So vertically stack arrays is 1 2. It is the value of x here 1 2 and then 7 5 1 6, right? So vertically stack means vertically you are adding them 1 2. If you are writing this a, so a will come first and then the value of x will come later on. Horizontally stack means the function we are using np.array and along the axis 0. So axis 0 is always for row, axis 1 is for column. np.array 99 99. np.hstack, the function we are using for horizontally adding values and vertically adding or stacking. So a.y. So a value of a was 7516. So 7516 is same, and horizontally you are adding by using of hstack function. So 99 99. So this is the simple function already you covered in the 11th class. 2D arithmetic operations, same operations what we did for the 1D array, these are same as. So these are the program like import numpy array 75, print np array 10 10, add ab, same common operation. C is equal to a plus b, so a plus b will get, I will show you execution. So these are very simple programs, multiply, divide, null. So let me clear this first. The first command always should be import numpy as np, and these are the result here. You have created one array, so you are normally printing 759268, so it is printing same as it is, no changes, right? B is equal to np dot array 10 comma 10 comma 10. C is equal to np dot a comma b. So you are adding these arrays together, right? Then you are printing C. So simply 10 plus 7 17, 2 plus 10 12. So you are getting print out here as 17 15, and by adding 10 to first array, right? Subtraction also same, multiplication and division also same, right? So these are so simple, you can through your have book you can go, but the conditions that you need to remember, both 2D array or any multi-dimensional array should be with the same dimension in the matrix form, right? Means the number of columns and rows, then one-to-one arithmetic operation will be performed, right? Second one, number of element of a dimension must match, otherwise the error message you will get, right? Like this. Another also we have here, adding, subtracting and multiply. These notes you can get from there, our school website. 2D array mathematical functions, the functions we covered there also, and also in 11th class we have covered these functions. This is because this is the chapter 1, so fully revision is given, so we are going to cover these all. Say the power function, square root, ceiling function, floor, these all we have covered, right? Array is created np dot power of 8, so this normally doing square. Then next one, next power function is used in first, then see the ceiling value of this 7.33, it will become 8, 5 point something, that will become 6, and the floor value, the lowest round of integer is 7 5. The 2 value will be 2 and 6 will be 6. The same in the same way, np numpy dot value of a at 1, so it is 7.33 is written, it will get round up to the 3, 5.2, and as of creating anti-array using from IITR function. This is also important for you. From this function we can use when we want to create array from non-numeric sequence. Non-numeric sequence means the dictionary. We have covered this one also in 11th class. See, the dictionary is created, the dictionary, and the values are assigned at the data type char. A, this one is key and this one is value. One is assigned, one key assigned value A, two is B, C, and as of, right? np dot from ITR, then we have given here the dictionary variable name, data type is np dot int, and first we are printing array 1. So let me run this. Okay, this one is output here. So it is extracting the number integer values from here 1 2 3 4 and 5, and then print data type, item size 4, right? Key values. The key we are retrieving here 4. Then array index, array of 0, array of 1 we are retrieving here, right? So in this condition, all the data whatever you have written here, like integer values 1 2 3 4 5 getting printed, data type also getting printed into 32, item size 4, and element accessing array of 0 is already 1, array of 3, so indexing also same 0 1 2 and 3, so we are accessing this one. So this is all for this chapter. We are going to cover several more on this chapter. For that, you will get soon the video lectures on arrays related to